Tú no tienes que sacar. Yo nunca la saco ya. Pero se encojona esa.
So you guys,
Yeah.
this is how it is.
We're going to go to the same thing with them next in June?
I have a question.
There's another Exceeder over there. And same over there is there's a white wheel-lock Exceeder over there as well. And same as right all the way down there. It's nice. 2 wheel-lock Exceeders and 1 wheel-lock NS. So it's like, so I think this airport is filled with wheel-lock devices. Literally. I think that's a wheel-lock MTW. What is it? Door alarm. Whatever that alarm is being used for. It's a cool alarm. I don't know what tone it's set on, but this is a multi-tone horn show. That one is just a fire alarm, aka wheel-lock Exceeder. And such as that white one over there.
55?
The white one over there as well.
So close. So that means
Looks pretty cool.
nosotros la casa.
Another one. So wheel-lock HSR this time.
Sí, this is
Pretty
pre-check.
cool.
You no tiene pre-check.
Oh, 58?
Sí. No, you don't. You don't have it. It's a different
Wheel-lock
membership.
HSR Exceeder. Yep.
Tiene que ir por el otro lado.
There's another HSR?
You're going to meet up with them anyway.
There's Chapman. Right. There's another one. Another one.
Is it here? Oh, business class? Yeah, your business class. Okay.
See, Mom?
The bell, Mom.
Here is, right here is a wheel-lock MT. I think it's used as an alarm. I'm not really sure what alarm it's used for. And right here is a wheel-lock HSR Exceeder. I'm sure. So there's 2 alarms. This fire alarm, HSR Exceeder horn show, and the MT. I do not know what it's used for. But it is an alarm. That's all I know. There you go.
You gotta come balance. Punish. Punish.
We go around, okay. Another NS. I mean, this is the NS that we went to before. Right. As you can see here, there's another one over there. I think we're going to do ours. I think there's a wheel-lock ours.
The what?
No, just fire one.
Alright, so slice you, slice me. Brother said he wants 2 slices.
Okay.
So that's 4. I gotta take 2 more. So I gotta make dinner. You know? I gotta make that steak.
Chicken steak. Oh yeah, steak. I'm just
Gone to the bathroom or you staying outside?
I'm staying outside.
Put your phone down, nobody come by and rip it off your hand.
Alright.
Hot. Like it out.
Alright. This is not the last fire alarm I will be seeing. But there's a wheel-lock RSS right there.
Stay right here.
Just
Over here.
devices.
International.
There's another one.
Security reasons, please keep your luggage with you at all times. Unattended luggage will be removed.
There's another one there. That. Alright guys, we're gonna go into the parking garage now. I'll see you up there. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. Oh my goodness, I can't even record water. Oh my goodness. Here's a mechanical horn strobe. I think it's parody service by electronics or Harrington. Alright, Dad. Wait, Dad. There's another one over there on the second floor. And an answer over there. Wait. Gosh. Oh, where'd it go? It's super cold down here. Well, since I don't see any more alarms, I think this is the end of the video, guys. Make sure to, like and subscribe, and we'll come back with more fire alarm capturing videos later.